Hello, this is Anssi with my first and only chart review for the week. I thought I'd try to get at least one of these done this week. I've been super busy and haven't gotten any proper trading done. I've looked at the charts daily, but uh, no real trading time, which is kind of bad because these past couple of days have been really like stellar um, in terms of movement, volume, volatility, some awesome moves there. A lot of entries that I've found in hindsight. Even today, before I came in around here, there was all of this price action already. Marked a couple of entries here. Not gonna go into them because I took quite a few entries myself. So at this point, when I came in, this here looked a bit like a range. So, and there was some strong resistance here. So even though it broke higher here, and this is a kind of a strong move up, this turned out to be only failed breakout. And I like going short here. It's one of those bars that tried to go higher first and just turned back down. So I went short. It was a quick scalp. Again, I'm only scalping for 1 point at the moment before going live. And next one here, I got a bit early in a bit early here. I should have waited for another leg of correction back to retest this level here. So yeah, I went short here and rode through all of this. The proper entry probably was here. It's a nice bearish bar. Second entry short, and I added on there, and then it came back for another retest. Made this nice double top here. So this would have been another place to enter, and I really don't know why I exited here because I got only 4 ticks out of it. It would have been good for another 4 ticks. Basically here the contract, or my first contract here, I got out at break even on that. So yeah. What else? Then it broke lower here, and I didn't actually have this trend or this trend channel in place at the time. If I would have, I might have noticed this here. This was another failed break lower, and because it kind of traded up to into this small trading range, you might have been expecting another move up. This might be even a measured move, maybe not quite. Yeah, not quite, but a strong move up. It bounced back up from this failed break lower and made a retest here, and this bar, well, it's not exactly bullish, but maybe bullish enough, so you might have gone long there, and it just went straight on up. And where does it go? Right into the 2000 level, back in there. I don't know, there's probably some previous resistance or support there, or some, but it's kind of I think a logical place to look for some resistance here, and that's why I marked actually this one. It's well close enough to second entry short from the low. It couldn't really get above the 2000 level here, and this is a bearish bar, so you could have been expecting for move back to the EMA at least. Didn't take that one myself. Another one here, well, it's at the trend line, came back to retest this high. It's, well, there's basically like one leg down, then a two-legged correction here, second leg down, kind of. So you might have looked at it as a second entry long. Also, you had this support here. Quick move up again, back to retest these highs. Then another move down, and now when it made this kind of a reversal bar here at these highs, this double top, I like going long there. There's a quick scalp, and it would have gone all the way up to back here to retest this level, and now it started to look like a trading range here, and made a double top another time here. So after this bar closed, made a smaller double top here as well. I like going short. It's a second entry short from this high, and again it came all the way back down here. It was a quick scalp too, and then from the other side of the range, just go long. Actually, I exited way too early on this one. I got kinda nervous maybe because of these long wicks to the upside. And there really wasn't a proper retest of this low at that point. Would have worked easily for scalp and a bit more, but it didn't go all the way up to this level anymore. But at that point you could have had these trend lines in place, so I don't know, maybe not, you maybe don't want to take this bounce here, but this one, yeah, I did take it. It was a nice bullish bar as well, and this would have been a nice move up. And actually here I went long way too early. This is just not a good entry. I don't know why I took it. Took a loss on that one, stopped me out here, but luckily I was able to pick myself up and get in another time or once more. And that was a proper entry. It really didn't find any resistance here anymore, and this here was it's basically it's a failed second entry short and a breakout pullback long. It kind of made a retest of this high here, didn't really get there, but the small pullback here, nice bullish bar. You had this measured move here, so all the reasons to take a long. I didn't myself though, but would have worked easily. Then a pullback back to the lower trend line here. There's a failed second entry long here, which you might have taken, and here there's a breakout pullback short. This is a nice inside bar here, so another entry there. It came right back to this trend line, back to retest this level, and turn back up. I was away, I think, at this point. That might be why I didn't take this one. Anyway, when I came back, I saw this here. Was looking for a move up all the way up here, but it couldn't go that far. Luckily it went far enough for a scalp, because well, this is a big bar, and made me a bit nervous entering here because there was a bit of overlap too. But it did work. I'm not sure if it's maybe not the most optimal entry, but still. Yeah, that's it for me. Quite a few trades, quite a few opportunities or entries too that I didn't take. The movement's been nice, really nice, as I said, and apparently it should continue like this, or normally the first few months of the year are good for trading. So I'm really looking forward to finally going live, maybe next week or the week after. And when I finally do go live, I'm gonna do a review of that, a video of that, and I'll try to keep doing these more regularly. So yeah, okay. That's it for me for today. Have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Bye.